Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study psychology for Upsc step by step. Start by mapping the entire syllabus and setting clear weekly goals, then allocate time for reading, note-making, and practice questions. Use standard textbooks, class notes, and past papers to build depth while tracking progress with short quizzes. Balance conceptual study with application examples and spaced revision to retain difficult terms and theories for exam readiness. Begin using active recall by testing yourself after each study session and schedule spaced repetition reviews for strong memory consolidation. Make concise notes and visual maps to simplify complex theories and link concepts across topics, and regularly practice writing structured answers under timed conditions. Mix reading with application exercises and group discussions to deepen understanding, and track improvement so you can adjust study strategies where needed for efficient Upsc. Choose one reliable textbook as your foundation and supplement it with research articles and lecture notes for nuanced understanding. Regularly solve past Upsc papers to learn question patterns and refine answer structure, while using model answers to gauge depth and presentation. Plan revision weeks that focus on weak areas and include mini-tests to monitor progress, and maintain a balance between theory review and applied practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.